Hey there viewers, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. This is going to be a walk around video of my wife's Fiero. We picked this up for like 700 bucks. This one has the 13-inch tires, which can be fun to find. Pardon the wind noise if you do hear some. A little breezy this morning. Now you notice this loop is not here. It is here, it's just back here. These are broke. Okay, so you'll notice this is like this. This is actually cracked right here. I believe it has something to do with the headlight not going down all the way. Paint's all shot up here. Onto the interior. Well, the interior is actually all here and actually a pretty decent shape. Now, mind you, this is an 85. This also has the headrest speakers. 85 was the last year they did those. Factory radio. 5-speed manual. Even has a little hooks up in the back. So as most of us know, the dashes on these are always trash. This has basically 148,000 miles on it. And it's all here. It's all original. Factory radio, factory AC. Only the oil pressure gauge, no remote deck lid or rear defrost. The shifter's kind of long on these. I did notice that. It's kind of weird. The shifter does have some play in it. See? I think that'd just be because it's a little worn out, or could just be normal for these. Comment below if you know. The cigarette lighter does work. Nothing really too much in the console here, just a headlight relay down there. And I'll get to that in just a moment. Notice there's some stuff on the back of the headrest here, looks like from the carpet. Oh, no, look at, they put like a little tiny mirror in here. That's so cute. So the intentions on this car is to fix it up for her. The car runs, it drives. We drove it about 8 miles without any hiccups at all, maybe a little more. The route we were going to take was flooded, so we had to turn around and go another way. Car did fine. A little bit of problems with the subframe. It is a little rotted, so we're going to get that fixed from a buddy of ours that we know. This car is originally from Florida. The woman bought it new, and she brought it up here to New York and sold it to a gentleman in which I bought it from. So a little bit more about this one under the hood. Okay, so here we are under the hood with the front trunk spare tire area. There is no spare tire. There's the jack. It does not have the bracket to the jack or anything like that. Now the only thing I have done to this car to get it drivable was literally replace the clutch master cylinder. That's it. The other one wouldn't pump up, wouldn't work. So out with the old, in with the new one. There was no washer fluid. I don't know why they took it out. There was no washer fluid. The jack doesn't have the holder, and the spare tire is not here. Where they went, I don't know. This is one that I grabbed out of the ones I have. I do have the jack bracket. That's the jack. You'll notice this headlight is up, but that one is not. The motors somewhat work. This one is very dry and very just deteriorated. We got the car last night. I was thinking about taking a video, but I didn't get the camera out and it was starting to rain, so we just wanted to get it home. I did find new wipers in the red one. So I put one of them on. This one here is the one that was on the car when we got it. The car's been sitting for a few years, and as you can see, that's just trash. It's no good. It just smudged more than it wiped the window. I had to literally pull over and change that wiper in the rain. That wasn't too much fun. The fan does come on with the AC, so the fan works. Sounds like it might be tapping something, so I gotta look into that. The battery is unfortunately dead due to that headlight motor over there. Unbeknownst to me, it wasn't shutting off and it drained the battery. So let me go around, and you see this here, like I said earlier, this is cracked right here. If you look under here, you can see it right here. That's cracked. Oops. That's all cracked right there, so unfortunately this hood's no good. It is fixable, but to me it's just probably best to replace it. But everything is here. It has the front bracket to the license plate. Like I said, the tires are no good. They're split and dry rotted, as you can kind of see here. I'm lifting the tread. That's not good. And I just noticed that this is all sorts of split. So the overall condition of this car is fair. It's actually in really good shape. The driver's side seat is the typical no good on the bolsters. A little wore out here. We get the keys here. And here's your major power plant. Yeah, she's dirtier than dirty, but I think she will clean up pretty good. It's about 150,000 miles of grime. Yummy. So you notice the battery's just kind of sitting in here. Let me zoom out. So you notice the battery's just kind of sitting here, not actually anchored down. The battery tray is gone. It's no good. So we just literally had it wedged between this bracket here and, you know, in this area here. It kept it away from the water pump. And now down there, you see that other pulley as a factory AC. I don't know if that works. I tried it yesterday. It was warm. It didn't turn on. Chances are it probably doesn't work. Probably is not charged. We tried doing a little something different with the throttle cable spring. It's a very hard pedal to push, but everything works pretty dang good, minus a few things on the interior. Okay, I'm gonna turn the key on. Probably one of the blinkers on. So you don't get any indicators on the dash, like your shift up indicator doesn't work. I know the temp light does work because when we went to go look at the car, I popped the radiator cap off, and when we went to get it started, the light was on due to it being a little bit low on coolant. The high beam indicator does not work. Check engine light does not work. The radio does not work. It doesn't display anything. The blower does work. Like I said, we just got the car last night. I have not done anything with this car but drive it home. It was starting to rain yesterday, so I couldn't do anything with it. So you can literally see that that's working good. You see the gas gauge works, temp gauge works, oil pressure gauge works, the speedometer works, the tach does not, and none of the lights work. Let's see if this thing will turn over. Probably not. Nope. So due to that headlight motor, it drained the battery last night. So yeah. Now you'll notice a little bit of mold there, and a little bit up in this corner here. I don't know how well it's coming out, so we have to get that addressed. Probably needs to have the windshield resealed. The oil change was done, or supposed to be done, 147,111, I think it is. So it's not too far over. So, yeah. There she is. These work. The ashtray lights work. I think one of them is blown, but I don't remember. The circuit lighter works. Overall, the car is actually pretty good. Pretty much untouched. So, look forward to seeing more videos. If you want to see more about this car, consider hitting that subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up. And ring that bell so you know when I roll out more videos on this or any of the other Fieros. Yeah, stay tuned. Have a good one.